Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is the viral 10-second bun. First, place your hair tie on your left hand's wrist before gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Next, with your right hand, pull the elastic over your ponytail to the right. Ensure that you pull it far enough so that you can slide all of your fingers on your right hand through, allowing your ponytail to rest on top of your hand. Then flip your hand away from you as you guide your ends down your elastic and slide out your thumb so you can grab onto them. Twist your hand one more time so your hair sits on top of your fingers. You can really see the thumb placement here. This allows you to pinch onto the entire right side of your bun. Then with your left hand, grab onto your twist, pulling it over your bun. Then let go with your right hand, guiding your elastic over. Wrap any remaining ends around your elastic, securing them with pins if needed. This technique can be tricky at first, but keep on practicing. I hope that this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.